how to save your Twitch stream. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your Twitch live streams so you can rewatch them, make clips, or post to social media. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, log into your Twitch account. Now click on your profile picture at the top right. Then go to Creator Dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings and then choose Stream. Scroll down to the VODS settings section. Now make sure to check the box for Store Past Broadcasts. Also, enable the option Always Publish VODS just below it. Here's something important. Twitch only saves your streams for 14 days if you're an affiliate and 60 days for partners, Prime, or Turbo users. But if you're not any of these, your past broadcasts will be saved for just 7 days. So make sure to download your stream before it gets deleted, especially if you plan to reuse or repurpose the content. That's all for the video. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.